What's up, guys? It's Lewis, back with another review. This time we got the Ben Riley Spider-Man from the Marvel Legends Spider-Man Classic line. I was walking in Target, found this bad boy. Check this out. So, here you go. Got the Ben Riley suit. And I love these packages. Hey, the old classic Spider-Man, the cartoon. If you remember, it's such a great show. I love that they brought back the packaging for it from the 90s. If you remember Torpus did that, I love it. It's I want to say nostalgic kind of. For me, I don't know about you, but what do you think? I like it, it's awesome. So, let's get into this and open and see what it's about. Alright, here we go. We got this bad boy open. Has so many points of articulation. Like it's awesome, but I feel like the head, I should show it to you in the package. It feels like it's a kind of a different color. If we can take out the neck from the head, it looks like they just used the Spider-Man original, just swapped the head. So they didn't make a new head, the same head, has a little bit of a different tone. I don't know how I feel about that. I guess if you want, you can swap a head with a different figure, but the tone is a little bit off. But I do like how it comes with, if I can show you, the what they call wall crawling hands. Check that out. So everybody complained that the original didn't come with the wall crawling hands. So they've been packaging these with all of them, with the symbiote, with the Ben Riley. I feel like since these have so much articulation, like the knee right there, I should go a little bit deeper. The knee, and then I like this. If you can check this out, the back of them has a butterfly joint in the shoulder, so you can get these deep back bends like this, so you can make them kind of jumping forward, put the head straight, boom, jumping forward, put those arms way back. So I feel like since the response from the fans about the posability of these figures, I think we're going to get a lot more of different costumes so they can just milk that Spider-Man posability. Because right now, we have the symbiote, we have the Ben Riley, we have the armored Spider-Man, we have the classic Spider-Man. I think we're going to get a lot more, in the future, because who doesn't want Spider-Man, right? So, by the way, it comes with the fist hands. You can make them. So he has the fist hands, the web hands, and the web shooter hands. Right there. So I love that this thing has so much possibility. Has a ab crunch, it has a mid-torso bends. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of zigzagging. Right here, see if I can move that. See if I can do it up there for you. So, the ab crunch back and the chest forward. So you get like this crazy posability. I love it. The one thing I wish it did have was I wish the leg and the hip could go higher. That'd be great if the hip was a little bit loose, like the joint wasn't. I can't put this. If you look at the hip joint, we're kind of where the crotch is. I wish that they put that lower hip higher so the leg wasn't stopped. So you could get this higher, this leg could go up higher. You could do iconic crouching almost. I love it. I do. But I don't know if this is everybody's, but my head is so loose, like it doesn't feel like it fits alright. I could spin it around easy. I don't know why, but as if mine is loose, I don't know if anybody else is. So it's kind of a bummer, but it's a great figure, of course. So let's get into this review, yeah? I know a lot of people saw after this figure, and I just found it at Target that had like 5 or 6 of them. So I don't think it'll be that hard to find. I just think because of the newness, and it's like, the hype right now, but I think it will die out and you'll be able to find it. So I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10. I think it's a great figure with great posability. The head is loose. I don't like the two-tone from the head to the body. They just use the old head and the old paint. I think it was just left over. So I'm doing 8. I love all points of articulation. I hope they continue this line with more, because I love these figures. So if you get it, tell me what you think. I'd love to hear it. Tell me below, comment, like, please subscribe. I love when you all interact with me. I got links below, Facebook, all that good stuff. So I guess until next time, happy hunting.